So over here you can see that I got a bunch of shapes inserted over here in the Gantt chart area. And if you want to go around and change their outlook, then you can manage out their properties by clicking on a shape that you want to change the properties of, and then go into the Gantt chart format tab, and then go under drawing right here, and then go to properties. So once you go around over there, you can go around, choose, let's say for example, color right here that you want to fill up the shape with. So let's just go around and select this dark green color right here. And then you can select a pattern over here that you want to fill it up with as well. And over here you can see a preview of it. You can go around, choose out a line right here. Let's say I'm just going to go around and choose like a dark blue line, and then increase out the size of the line right here just like this, and press OK. So once you do that, you can see that the shape changes out according to the style that we chose. We can go around, select another shape right here, and then go around onto properties and fill it out accordingly. So we can go around right here, choose out the line, and even go around and choose out a color right here, press OK, and you can see that this is what you have. Now let's say you don't want to fill up the curve right here, the curve space right here that you see, but you just want the curve to show out. In that case, you can go around onto properties and select fill as none, and let me just thicken out the curve, and you can see that now there is no fill in the curve, just like that. And that is how you can go around right here onto, let's say, arrow as well. Go to properties, and there's no fill for the arrows, but you can go around, change the size of the arrow right here just like this, and then select out, let's say, red color, press OK, and this is what you have. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say, properties, you can go around onto size and position as well, and you can attach it to a certain timeline. You can go around and choose out a particular date and press OK, and it'll be attached to that particular timeline as well. You can go around over here onto the properties, and then you can go around, change out the inches. You can also go around and assign it to a particular task right here, and then change around the size right here, change around the properties, and then even choose the attachment point right here to this or the entire timeline, press OK, and then what happens is that it goes around and gets attached out accordingly. Of course, you can go around and move it out later on as well, and it is attached again to where you place it out. And that is how you can go around and change out the drawing properties so that you can control how it shows up in the Gantt chart area. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.